You can register as a supplier on the NextBuy platform free of charge. Go to nextbuy24.com, click on the login button in the top right corner. You will be redirected to the login panel, then click on the register button and fill in the form. Enter details such as email address, first name, last name, phone number. Once you have selected your country, a box will appear where you enter your company's tax ID. If the company with provided tax ID number is already registered in the NextBuy supplier database, the name of the company associated with this tax ID will appear after clicking the Next button. On the other hand, if the company with the given tax ID does not exist in the NextBuy supplier database, fill in the required details: company's short and full name, company sector, and all address details. In both cases, at the very end of the form, you must accept the terms and conditions of the NextBuy platform. After clicking on the button Company Registration or Register, at the email address provided in the form, you will receive a message in which you must click on the button Confirm Registration. A new window will open in your browser, where you will define a password to log in into the platform. After confirming the registration and setting the password, your data will be verified by the platform administrator. Information about the acceptance of your account will be sent to the same email address. As soon as you receive this message, login into the application will be possible. Go to the login page again. Enter the login ID, which is your email address, and the previously set password, and click Login. When logging into the application for the first time, you are required to select the commodity in which your company is located. In the visible window, search for and select the appropriate commodity by clicking on the checkbox. This does not apply to users whose company is already assigned to one of the commodities. You will then find yourself on the dashboard. Navigate to the RFX module. There are two tabs available: List of the RFX and Open RFX Processes. On the list of RFX, you can see the tenders to which you have received invitations sent directly to your user email address. List of open processes contains tenders visible to all users of the platform. Thank you for your attention, and we wish you success in your NextBuy transactions.